So it's going to be a little bit tight back here, but it won't be too bad. This bucket's going to be in the front. Wow, it's going to be tight. Now where is my remote? Grab me those stuff, buddy. Let's start bringing the stuff in. You can put. Hey there folks, PK here, welcome back. I got my son behind me and we're here bright and early. We're going to try to catch some Dungeness crab. Hopefully we can catch some big crab today. So you can see we're very loaded. We're on the kayak, 3 crab pots, bait boxes, buoys, and then we got a cooler back there and my son's back there, so we're like packed to the rim. So it's going to be a little bit challenging to set up, but once we toss out all the pots, we should have some room. So let's go ahead and set up and try to catch these crabs. So, hey buddy. When I say rope, go ahead and grab you one rope from here, okay? The cooler. Now I'm going to try to set up one pot. That's going to be really challenging because I got no room. I literally have no room, guys. I gotta do a lot of adjusting here, folks. That's the way it is, because I have no room. So we gotta zip tie. Okay, buddy. So when I say zip ties, it's really easy. The problem is I have no room, as you can see. That's why it's hard. When you have no room, it'll be very challenging. Okay, that's one. We are at 10 foot of water. We are here. Okay, we got one out, guys. One pot done. Not out, but done, I should say. Okay, that's a little tangled. Don't like that. So I want to go a little bit further. Okay. There we go. There is one pot, guys. There's one pot. We're at 10 foot. Okay, so one more. Whatever can go wrong will go wrong, I guess. Okay, need the rope, buddy. Don't let go. Don't let go. Okay. So we got 2 pots out now. Wow. It is 6:17. 2 pots. So I got a little bit more room now. A little bit more room. To set up these crab pot, guys, I'm just using these Night Eyes wires. They work really well. I like them a lot. There's a seal over there, buddy. You see him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bait thief. They are bait thieves. Zip tie. One at a time. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I got these sardines. Tuna bloodline crab bait. Thank you, Jeff. We got these left over from yesterday. I'll keep one just in case we run out of bait. But drumsticks, old drumsticks, more drumsticks. I think that's good enough. We're in 10 foot of water. Hold on to the end of the rope for me. Hold on to it. Oh, it's right by your feet.
Yeah.
The buoys, okay? So I'm gonna drop it. Last pot right here, okay, buddy?
Got it.
Okay, and then I'm gonna grab this buoy from you. And give me that. Okay, there we go. We are in, guys. Last pot is out. Last crab pot is out. Let's hope we can catch some big crabs. So let's go back to the dock, and then I gotta grab my my knife, and then we'll come back here and anchor down a crab, okay? All right, folks, so we're gonna toss the crab daddy out while we wait for our pots to soak. That is the game plan. Okay, I'm gonna toss it for you, buddy. Okay, so it's gonna right ourselves, and it should hang right there. Okay, so give me some more rope, because I'm gonna toss it out. I'll unwind it. Yep, there you go. Okay, that's good enough. Here we go. This can turn out a good throw. It could turn out an epic fail. Well, that, I give that about a B+. Okay, now for mine. There we go. We're gonna have, hey, what's for dinner? Drumsticks, raw chicken. Get in there, chicken. I think I can do 2 drumsticks. More scent. Won't fit though, in there. There we go, we got it. Okay, mine is all set up. I just need the rope, buddy. Okay, there we go, mine is all set up. Where's yours at? Over there? I'll put mine on the right side. So we're at 9 foot of water, guys. All right, here we go. Here's mine. Got all these lined out. There we go. Dropping. So 638. It is on the bottom. It's not dragging anymore. It's on the bottom. We're just gonna go probably about 6-7 minutes. Put it right here. Okay. So we got our pots out. We got our hand lines out. So now it's just a waiting game. Hopefully we don't have to wait long. It is kind of misty today, guys. Didn't expect this one bit. Hey buddy, can you hand me that plier?
Yeah, got it.
Now, if you guys want to know when not to come crabbing, is when like the tide is fluctuating a lot. Let's say you have a high tide of, let's say 7 foot, and then you have a low tide of -2 foot. So you have like a 9 foot difference there, which means that tide is just ripping right through this bay. And you got seaweed going, you know, all with the current. You got a lot of seaweed, and that's gonna tangle up with your line and your pot. So when the tide variance is so high like that, I think anything over 5 foot is just too much. 6, 7, 8 foot, I would say don't go crabbing, because the crabs tend to bury themselves into the sand when the current is ripping that much. So that's why I always focus on tides where it's about less than 4 foot difference. Okay. Yeah, I can't believe summer vacation it's coming to an end already, buddy. You were in Cambodia for a month, and that went by fast. All right, guys, so we are holding here in one spot using the Minn Kota spot lock. That's really nice. We don't have to use an anchor. It lets us stay stationary while we crab. Pretty cool feature. So we're almost coming up to 5 minutes. See, 6:38, it's 42, a little bit more, a couple more minutes. Then we'll bring up these hand lines. Okay, I'll show you. So this is a gauge. It has these markings right here.
Yeah.
You see it says 5 3/4, 6 and 6 1/4. So the crab shell we measure from here to here, which is 5 3/4.
Oh.
If it fits in there, or actually a little bit bigger, then it's good.
Oh.
Wow, guys, just sitting here waiting for our pots to soak. It's just looking at today. Super nice day. Looks like the sun is coming up, but the cloud is blocking the sunlight. Yeah, a little bit of wind. It's not too bad. It's perfect.
Yeah.
About 2 miles per hour. So the tide's coming in. Low tide was, I think, 2:30 this morning. High tide's about 9, and it is about 6:45 right now. So we're gonna crab till the high tide, and then once the tide switch, the water's gonna move even less. But yeah, I think it's time, buddy. Why don't you bring yours up, and we'll check to see if these hand lines catch some crabs. So for these hand line, buddy, just kind of, you want to pull up to it slowly like that.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you just go really fast.
Oh,
Okay, you just want to pull up until it's tight.
Oh.
Then when it's tight, okay, right there, now pull really fast. Pull really fast. Does it feel heavy?
Yeah, it does. Really good.
Okay, good. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Bring them up. Bring them up. There, you got one. Got a female. There we go. Kevin's first crab. That's a female though. The round apron there. Can't keep that. Okay. So let's toss yours back out. So when you pull it up, don't stop at the boat. You got to pull it all the way up, okay? Because if you stop, it opens up, they escape.
Oh.
Okay? Okay, so watch your line. Watch your line. I'm gonna toss this sucker out. Okay. So there's that. Catching it. Here we go, folks. Ah, light. Oh. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
Oh man, guys, I got 2 big crabs. 2 crabs in this one. Check that out. Are they legal? Oh no, small one. I thought he was a big one. Oh, this one's feisty. Oh, easy. Easy now. Okay, you go first. Boy. You, there. Small one. This one is a maybe. He is a male.
Oh, yeah.
He's a male. And, whoo, he's angry. Ow, 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 ow. Let go. Okay, gauge. Maybe. Please be a legal one. Hey, I got a keeper. Got a keeper, guys. So we got 1 crab.
Oh, man.
Sweet. Okay, all right. Yeah. 1 crab. Okay, I'm gonna toss this back out. Hey, what's going on? Put all the line out. Okay, perfect. Of course. Get tangled with my camera. Oh! So we got 1. Yes, I'm very happy. Not a very big crab.
Not skunk.
Not skunked. And it's a hard shell too, which means the meat is really packed.
Oh, man.
I went to Nehalem yesterday, caught some crab with my friend Jeff. We got a really big one, but he was a soft shell. Well, actually, he was kind of semi-hard shell, but I kept him anyways because he was a big crab. We'll go about another 8 minutes, and then we'll pull up, and then we'll check the pots. Okay, so how long do you soak these crab pots for? It varies, guys, depending on how many pots I have and how many people I'm crabbing with. Sometimes the routine is, let's say you have 6 pots, right? So you drop the first pot and you remember the time, and then by the time you drop the last pot, it's going to be about maybe 15-20 minutes already. So by the time you drop the last pot, you can go to the first pot and pick that up. So, you know, about 20 minutes down there should be enough. I know some people leave it for 10 minutes, some people for an hour. It just really depends. I don't think there's any like one, you know, specific time where, okay, 30 minutes, that's the ideal time. It's not like that really. It just depends on, you know, what you're doing and what your setup is. But for me personally, I go about 20 to 25 minutes on these traps. These traps, they're a cage. They have a door, swinging door that only swings one way. So you can leave it down there a lot longer than say a crab ring. Where a crab ring, when you drop it to the floor, it just collapses. And the crab can come in and they can come out. So for a crab ring, you only want to leave it down for about maybe 10 minutes at the most. I'm sorry, maybe 15 at the most, and then pick it up. For these traps, because they have a swinging door that only swings one way, you can leave it down longer. 6:55, so it's been 5 minutes since we dropped that last hand line. We're gonna go about another 3 minutes, and then we'll pick up the hand line, and then we'll check the traps. Here in Oregon, you can use 3 crab pots. And in any combination, like if you have one crab trap, like the square black ones, and you can use a crab ring, and if you want to use a hand line, so that's 3. Or you can use 3 hand lines, 3 rings, or 3 traps only, okay? So maximum of 3 of any combination. 7 even, so it's been about 10 minutes. So let's go and pick it up again, buddy.
All right.
Now this time, as I said, just like last time, pull up slowly, and once the line is a little bit tight, really fast, okay? Really slowly, gently, because once they feel that movement on the line, they just scatter. So here we go. Pull number 2. Go a little bit faster. Okay, now just really fast. There you go. Any weight? Yes, bring it up, bring it up. Oh, well, you got a little baby.
Yeah.
Little baby. Doesn't count though.
Yeah.
Okay, so while you do that, I'm gonna lift my hand line. Hopefully I get another one. Oh, oh no, I missed it. Just one. It's a male, but I don't think he's big enough. He's worthy of measure though. Nope. Too small. Okay. So let's see. When we pick up the pots, we're gonna put it right here. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Get off spot lock. Okay. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Oh man. That feels heavy. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Oh, that's a lot of crab. Oh man, look at that. Look at all these big crab, guys. Here's one here we can measure. He is, oh, you kidding me? That's not, oh man, too small. Wow. How about you? Are you a legal one? You look big enough. You look big enough. Okay, there's another one. Number 2. Yep, number 3.
Woo!
Whoop. Woo! Number 4. Number 5. Too small. So we got, what, 3 out of there? 4?
4? Probably.
Wow. 4 out of this pot.
Man.
I gotta put more bait. Okay, guys. We got one pop. We got 4 crab out of that one. We're gonna drop it right down again. Just like that. Okay. So there we go.
And if we get our limit.
Well, we will. I have a feeling we will, buddy.
Yeah.
I have a feeling we're gonna get our limit really soon.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this huge one. Oh my goodness. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, that's a big crab. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a huge crab. I've never seen one this big in a long time. Oh, it's a hard shell. Look at the size of that giant Dungeness crab, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So we got, that's number 6, right?
Number 6.
Number 7. Small, small, small.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, hold on. Okay, you can hold this one. This one has 1 claw. You can hold it. You can hold it back here like this.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Nope, that's a female. So when you're done, just throw her back.
Got it.
Number 8. Count it, buddy. Count it, quick. Okay. So we're gonna put it back right here.
Next spot.
Okay, sweet. Doing really well. We're gonna go check the other one.
Okay.
Oh man. Oh man. A lot of crab here. A lot of crab here. I think this one is not as good as the other ones. This one, male, keeper, number 9, right? 10. 10? Okay, there we go. So we have 717. Remember that, buddy.
Okay.
717 is our second drop. Boy, that tide's ripping now. Okay, folks, just update. It is about 7:30. We have 7:24. We have 10 crabs in the kayak. Doing pretty good. Hoping to get our limit by 9. That would be nice. Oh, wow. See that, guys? 1, 2 male, 3 male, 4 males.
Whoa.
4 males in here.
Wow.
They're not very big though. These are pretty small.
The old one?
This one, yeah, he's small. Yeah, they're all small actually. Dang it. Oh, wait a minute here. Oh, we got one.
Hey, 11.
He's missing some legs, but hey, we'll take it. Number 11, sweet.
Nice.
Wow. Yeah, that's legal.
Okay.
There's a small one. Yep. Good. Good. Oh, nice. Oh, I think you got one, buddy. I think you got one. Nice pull. Go ahead and wind up your line. Because, yeah, wind it up, put it back on a spool on the wood, because we're going to go pick up our traps.
Got it.
Small crab. Small crab. Ow, 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 ow. Come on. So are you a legal one? Are you a legal size crab? This is a legal size crab, guys. This is a legal. Oh no! Oh, he's a soft shell anyways. So yeah, he's not big enough. Too small. Okay, so we're gonna put this away. Okay, folks, here we go. Second pull for our traps. Wow. Yeah. Another good haul. Okay, number 12.
Whoa.
Yep. Okay, here's 13.
Yep.
14.
Alright.
How many was that?
15.
Let go, buddy. Let go. There's a lot of seaweed. No, he is not legal. Too small. Okay, this place is empty. You gotta go forward. This place is no good. Sorry guys, I got the sun behind me. Just like before, I don't have no control how the kayak orients itself, but it is about 8 o'clock and we have 15 crabs in the kayak. We're gonna manage these hand lines for now. About 8:40, we're just gonna pick up and go. We should have our limit or close to our limit by then, which is 24. You're allowed 12 each, which is quite a bit. So yeah, we're coming towards the end of our trip. So we're gonna lift these hand lines a couple more times and then pick up our traps and jet out of here. And we're gonna cook that crab boil again because Kevin and I really like it. It's delicious. I'm sure you guys know how to cook crabs, you know, different ways, but personally for me, that crab boil is hard to beat, you know. I mean, the ingredients is really delicious. That crab boil recipe is just Louisiana, you know, it's really, really good. You put any vegetables you want in there. That's all I do with my crab is crab boil. Sometimes I stir fry them. It tastes the same way. You know, fresh crab, super delicious. I'm sure I can try to impress you guys by cooking it different ways, but I don't know. I just prefer a crab boil. I like to eat them. I can eat them over and over. They're super good. So that's why I keep doing these crab boil, because, you know, I want to cook something I want to eat. Oh, light. Nothing. Oh, we might have one. Oh, guys, we might have one. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's a female. I got excited for nothing. From the back, I thought he was a male. Dang it, man. Why you gotta get me excited like that? That's a big crab. Oh, well. You're too small. All right. Okay, guys, just give you a view of the kayak. What we have inside the kayak, just our setup, okay? Let me stand up. There we go. So here is the front deck. I got a little bit room here, and I have this PVC pipe right here. This PVC pipe, what it does, it acts as the I can rest my crab traps on there. Okay, before I didn't have this, and it was kind of hard to manage a crab trap, but with this pipe I can just lay it against that pipe. So It just gives me a lot more room because it's standing up vertical. Okay, and here is the deck, and then there's our bait bucket right there. My GoPro, that's how I mount it. Now the way I have it set up is kind of shaky. I'm gonna have to find a way to make it more stable. Okay, there's my transducer and my depth finder right here. I should probably lock this, huh? That might be a good idea. Okay, there we go. It is locked. I had that unlocked all this time and it didn't fall out. Okay, so there's that, and okay, and there's my seat, and there's Kevin back there chilling on his little stool watching YouTube, feet hanging out. Some shark's gonna grab his feet maybe. No, just kidding, there's no shark in this bay. But yeah, we are just kicking back, having fun, and look at, here's our crab right here. Cooler full of crab right there, 15 total. One more pull, then we go home. So yeah, pretty cool setup. Love this kayak for crabbing. I hate the fact that transporting it is such a pain in the butt because it's so big, it's so bulky. It is a challenge. It's very hard to transport it by yourself. With my son's help, it's a little bit easier. Feeling your way to it? I'm sorry?
You're on YouTube a lot, PK, right?
Yes, sir, yeah.
Where's your boat?
My boat?
Yeah.
It's on land.
You're on land. You put up a lot of good video.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, you got?
My boat is dying on me.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the electric one up.
All right. You got one, buddy. That's a big one. Big male right there. Hard shell too. So we'll put it back. Sweet, number 16, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Going up.
All right.
Going up. And it's, oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. I think I got one. I'm pretty sure I got one. Pretty sure I got one. That one. Okay, that's a small one there. This is a keeper, I think. He's a keeper. He is, yes. 17. Okay, buddy, we're gonna go actually. We're done. We are done, guys. We're gonna go pick our trap pot, our crab traps, and then we're gonna get out of here because we got 17, and I'm pretty sure we'll get at least 4 in those 3 pots. So go ahead and bring yours up, buddy. All right, so we're gonna clean this crab. We killed it already. We punctured a knife through it, and then we're just gonna pull out the carapace, just like that. Okay, that we throw away. There we go. And then we just pick off all the gills. Everything there.
How you doing?
Hi, good. How are you?
Lots of crab out there.
Oh yeah. Good time for it.
I went out last evening at 5 o'clock. I was back at 6 o'clock.
Really?
I only put 3 traps down.
Wow.
I pulled them up within 45 minutes to an hour.
Yeah.
I had 6 big, beautiful crab. Lots of females.
Right.
Juvenile females.
Yeah.
But 6 beautiful crab, and that's enough for me.
That's definitely.
You know, I was back in by 6 o'clock and done.
Yeah, nice haul.
Yeah. That's the time.
Okay, so we're gonna crack that open like that. And then you got the it's called the butter, you just shake it out. Okay, so that's clean right there. Pretty good. So this little stove, guys, is just working so well, man. It's a really powerful stove. It's small, but it puts out pretty good BTU. I'm guessing it's about 10,000 BTU. Look how quick that water's boiling.
Oh.
And this is a little stove right here. And it was cheap when I bought it. It was only $13. And you get, this is the valve here. And then you have the stove right here, okay? You can also get an adapter so that it's gonna fit the 1 pound cylinder, okay? And this just screws on just like that. And this screws in there like that, okay? So, small stove, but very powerful. Okay. Well, buddy, you had a great summer so far?
Yeah.
That's
well,
awesome.
Summer, yeah.
We caught a lot of crab today.
Yeah.
Yep, and we got lots of razor clam.
Very big laser clams, yeah.
Big razor
ones.
clams, and that's your first time razor clamming.
Yeah.
You did good. So can't wait till next summer, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, our summer's coming to a close. You got school next week, July 29th.
Yep.
And then, yeah, can't wait till next summer. We're cooking our last crab boil for the summer. Can't wait, we got corn in there this time.
Oh, man.
Yeah, water's boiling really good. So yeah, all right. Lift that up, buddy. It's not hot. It's not hot. It's bland.
Really?
Yeah, it's like terrible.
Is it spicy?
Okay, guys, I just tasted the Zatarain. You need to put a lot of salt with it. The instructions says salt, but it's just bland. It's just like spicy and that's it. So, not a big fan. It's a good thing I brought my backup Louisiana crab boil. Yeah, that was not good. I thought it's gonna be some type of flavor, some kind of, add some flavor a little bit. So, I think I might have to add a little bit more of this. Because wow, that was just really bland. Yeah. Yeah. Much better.
Yeah.
Much better. Woo, that's got some heat. You like it spicy though, buddy?
Mm.
Yeah. Perfect.
I really love spicy.
So we'll go, see, 10-10. We're gonna go 15 minutes.
Okay.
Well, 10 minutes we'll add the sausage.
Okay.
And we're good.
Alright.
When you lift something, you think it's hot or not, you just go like that, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay, go ahead. Yep, and then just put it right down there. Let's do this.
Oh, man.
Okay, you hold it with both hands.
Okay.
Okay, make sure it doesn't drop. Okay, you got your sausage.
Sausage.
There's that. Potatoes.
Okay.
And then another potato.
Okay.
Crab. Oh, look at that.
Alright.
Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna have it, maybe have 2 plates. It's more sturdy.
Oh, okay.
And then we got corn.
Woo!
Hold it tight.
Got it.
Hold it. Ooh. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that's hot. Where's your other corn? Oh. What else? You want? I think that's. You want more potatoes?
Oh, I'm good. I think I'm
Okay.
good enough.
You're good then.
Alright, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's eat.
Oh, yes.
Let's eat. Oh man. I know I do this a lot. Same old thing.
Yeah.
But man, I keep on telling people I can eat this over and over. It's just so good. And I want to cook stuff that I like to eat.
Let me paper towel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah.
Why do the call thing again?
Yeah, burger.
Ooh, it's a meat in there. What do you do for this one?
When it comes to this kind of eating, you gotta go caveman.
Oh.
Well, how's it?
Oh man, talk about it.
I actually like the sausage too.
Yeah.
Mmm. Wow. Jalapeno and cheddar.
Woo. Oh, there it is, the meat. Lost meat.
To get inside there.
Yeah.
You just go like that.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
See?
Okay. Thank you. You gotta try the corn.
Good corn?
Oh yeah.
He likes the corn. Bonus.
It's very sweet and spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try the corn.
You gotta try it.
Oh man. Holy moly. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
The corn is sweet and it's spicy
Yeah.
and it's salty. Oh. Man.
I hate to say it, but this is better than a burger. It's also free.
It's nice and fresh.
Yeah, nice and fresh.
Right, guys, I decided to go for seconds. We'll call it here. We'll end it here. Hey, folks, I had a great time today. Thanks for watching. Hey, buddy, great time.
Yeah, very good time.
Yep. So I will see you all next time. Have fun fishing. Tight lines.